Hello, everybody. I started this project with you, and I just had to finish it with you. I'm not wearing my Redskins t shirt today, even though we won the game yesterday, but I hope you notice I'm sporting my burgundy and gold handmade earrings. I made these years ago. Now, let me tell you what I'm doing. It's getting dark, but what happened was my husband and I had to go to the doctor's today for another one of his appointments. It was in Lumberton, North Carolina. That's about maybe 40 minutes away. When I got back this evening, guess what was here? Let me show you. My paint. My paint. There it is. Let me see. Wait a minute. You see all of my paints? It's dark, but I know you can see them. That's my paint. That's my meat tray that I've been using. Now let me tell you, when I got back and in my mailbox was my box of paints, I went crazy. My husband said, I know what you're getting ready to do. You're going to go outside and you're going to paint. I said, yes, I am. I opened up my paint and I saw all of my colors. It's a little cool here. I opened up my paint and saw all of my colors, and I came right out. The sun was going down then, and I'm finishing my little boy on my house. And I was painting him, and I said, I've got to share it with you. I'm finishing him up. He's almost completed, and I wanted to share it with you. Now, you see, the sun has gone down, but we have this light in our yard. So I have light, I can still paint, and I wanted to share this with you as well. I'm changing my entire business. I want to have my online talk show and meet handmade artists and talk to them and follow their careers and just have a real wonderful talk show where we can meet one another. To do that, I've got to grow my YouTube channel so I can have more followers and I can get paid. I need a paycheck. So I'm asking all of you on my Facebook business page, share these videos on your pages, share them on your Twitter, and share them on your, tell people about it on your, anywhere online, and help me to grow my YouTube channel. I'm putting these on my YouTube channel because my girlfriend asked me, I need to grow my YouTube channel, but my girlfriend asked me, she said, you know, I want you to share some of your stories with my daughter. And I said, okay, I'm going live. So every time I go live, I try to give a piece of advice or say a little something about life. Let me hold this up so you can see me. Those are my trees on my porch. Thank you for joining me. Hello. This one, the piece of advice is this. Life can be very tough. And always the Lord has blessed us that we can pray. He's with us all the time, everywhere we are. And we can contact Him right where we are, no matter where we are. We don't have to be in church. We don't have to be on our knees. We can be anywhere. And we can call on Him. We can tell Him what's going on. We can talk with Him about it and ask Him to respond. So that's number one. But second, find that thing that gives you that immediate grounding peace that you can't get from anywhere else. We all have it. It's something that we enjoy or something that we like seeing or something that we like doing or a place that we like to go. For my husband, it's shooting pool. My husband can be down and he's going through so many physical problems with his illness. And we're preparing for the transplant, so we have to go to a lot of doctors. And tomorrow morning early, we're leaving to go to Charleston. He has to go there to the hospital there. And every organ has to be tested prior to getting a kidney transplant. For my husband, it's shooting pool. Any minute, knowing what's going to happen tomorrow, we have to drive to the hospital. He's going to come out of the door. That's the front porch. Can you see it? He's going to come out of that door, and he's going to go over there, and he's going to go and shoot pool with his brother. He does it almost every evening, but especially when things are heavy on his mind. We have prayer, oh yes, all day. But just to get his mind off of things and have a smile, he goes and shoots pool. So I encourage you, find that thing that's going to take your mind totally off of it. That thing that's going to make you smile. Find it. Do it when you need it. That's what I think some of this is to me. My handmade work, the painting, the quilting, the making. I took a class in making poinsettias out of cardstock, big, large poinsettias. All of that, I think sometimes when things are tough and I need to just get away, that's what this does for me. So I hope that little talk encouraged you. Now let me show you what I'm doing in the dark. Are you ready? Let me see. Let me see if I can turn the camera around. No, that's not working. Let's see if I can. There we go. Okay. There he is. I hope you can see him. That's him. Now, I didn't bring a flashlight, but let me see if I can get him clear. I finished his hair. You see his hair? He has little dreadlocks. I finished his eye. I finished his hand holding the leaf. I finished the daffodil stem and the other leaf. I finished his shirt and his suspenders. And I just added some buttons. I don't think you can see those, but I just added buttons and I put stripes in his shirt. And I'm finishing the butterfly. You see, the butterfly's looking at him and he's looking at the butterfly. That's the butterfly. Now, this is the last thing, and I think it's required. I found this little, clean my brush. I have my water right here. I found this little sketch online on Google Images some years ago. And I have a friend, Pat, who is on the page, Pat Cross. She was painting a cedar chest with African American characters, women. And I found this little character way back then, years ago. And I said I was going to paint him because he just makes me smile. Now look, this is the last step. And I think he needs it right here. Can you see it? There it is. The light in his eyes. He only has one. That's it. He's finished. Oh, he came out so nice. I'm so happy I completed him. Now that I have my new paint, I'll be working on the next one. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. Because I started painting him live and talked with you while I was started painting him, I thought since I had the paint and I was finishing him up tonight, I would come live and finish him with you. So thank you so much for joining me. And I hope you like him. Have a blessed night. This is Linda, the old bird with Gotta Be Handmade. Because for the best, it's just gotta be handmade. Bye-bye.